to a speech of gratitude to our beloved school head Sir Perfecto P. Huna Jr., distinguished guests, teachers, parents, ladies, my fellow movers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to all of you. On behalf of the kindergarten movers, for this academic year 2023-2024, I would like to thank you all for coming today to celebrate this memorable event. Our moving up ceremony